If a coin is flipped 8 times, what is the probability of getting exactly 3 heads? In this quiz, we'll explore the binomial distribution, a statistical model that helps us calculate probabilities in situations with repeated trials and only 2 possible outcomes for each trial. Let's break down how to solve this using the binomial probability formula, where P, x, is the probability of exactly x successes. N is the total number of independent and identical trials. P is the probability of success on a single trial. And N choose x is the binomial coefficient. Now coming back to our quiz, in this case, x is 3, as we want to find the probability of getting exactly 3 heads. N is 8, since the coin is flipped 8 times. P is 0.5 because we are assuming an unbiased coin where the probability of getting a head on a single flip is 50%. Now let's use these values to calculate the probability of getting exactly 3 heads in 8 flips. Now, let's insert these values into the formula. The probability of getting exactly 3 heads in 8 coin flips is approximately 0.219, or 21.9%. This confirms that option A is the correct answer.